Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which carrier bands you need, because a mismatched repeater won't help. Grab a directional donor antenna, an appropriate repeater, 20-30 of low-loss coax and indoor antennas. Mount the donor antenna outside, higher is better, and point it toward the strongest cell tower you identified. Once done, run coax carefully into a utility area. Make sure to use proper connectors and weatherproof tape so signal loss stays low. This saves troubleshooting later. You now mount and align the donor antenna while someone watches signal strength on a phone or spectrum meter. Tighten the mast, seal connections, and slowly rotate until bars or dBm readings peak. Connect the coax to the repeater input and place the inside antenna at least 8 to 10 meters away. This prevents feedback and oscillation. Then power the repeater, observe LED patterns, and fine-tune both antenna aim and spacing. Make adjustments incrementally. Because small moves change signal, you finish by tidying cables, labeling connections, and testing voice and data throughout the house to verify coverage. If you see dropped connections or the repeater shows oscillation warnings, immediately increase distance between antennas, add attenuation, or move the indoor antenna. These steps stop self-interference. Make sure firmware and any gain settings follow the manufacturer guide, and record final dBm values in each room for future reference. If problems persist, swap coax or try a known good repeater to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.